maila ika mauna ike kuahiwi o mauna ke te maila ikila wea mal maiwa hineka.
Hainan Resort Panglao offers modern guest room, multiple swimming pools, restaurants, function halls, and leisure amenities designed for relaxation and comfort. As a major hospitality establishment in Panglao, the resort plays an important role in our local tourism development, job creation, and economic growth. It also contribution promoting Panglao Island as a premium travel destination while adopting the industry trends such as sustainability, technology use, and enhanced guest experience. Hainan Resort Panglao is a luxury beachfront resort located on Panglao Island, Bohol, Philippines, one of the country's top tourist destinations. It is a part of the Hainan Group of Hotels and Resorts, a well-known private hospitality company in the Philippines, recognized for high-quality accommodation and resort services. The resort was developed to support the growing tourism industry in Bohol, providing world-class facilities and services for both domestic and international travelers.
From one another on an empty train, getting lost in thought. Maybe I'll never know your name, still I can picture us 1,000 ways.
Trends that affect the organization, destination, technology and utilization, the use of online booking platform, mobile payments, and social media marketing has changed how this reserve women interact with the resort. Digital views and online promotion strongly influence tourist decision. Sustainability and eco-friendly tourism. There is a growing demand for environmentally responsible resort. Guests now prefer hotels that practice waste reduction, waste and conservation, and energy efficiency, especially in island destination like Panglao. Changing tourist behavior, tourists now seek luxury combined with comfort, safety, and unique experience. Many prefer longer stays, wellness tourism, and relaxing beach destination rather than grow urban areas. Health safety concern after the pandemic, tourists expect high standard of cleanliness, sanitation, and safety protocols. Resort must maintain the health guidelines and distress. Over-tourism and environmental pressure. The increase in tourist arrivals in Panglao can cause overcrowding, waste problems, and pressure on natural resources, which can affect the resort's operation and destination image. Recommendation for Hainan Resort Panglao: straight sustainable practices, implement stronger waste management, water saving system, and energy efficient technologies to protect the environment, enhance use of technology, improve digital services such as online ticketing, mobile guest service, and personalized online communication to enhance guest experience. Continuous staff training, provide regular training on customer service, health and safety and sustainability practices to maintain serve quality. Support local community and cultural partner with local suppliers, promote local product and include cultural activities to support the Panglao community and preserve local culture. Manage tourism responsibility. Coordinate with local government and tourism agencies to help address over tourism, protect natural resources, and promote sustainable tourism development.